Hey y'all, what it do? Got an emergency alert today, y'all. Be Saturday, September 24th, I believe. But word has it, y'all, Xi Jinping be under house arrest in China, y'all. And look like they trying to overthrow the government over there, y'all. Don't know if this be true yet. My sources be coming back to telling me the real here soon, y'all. But if that true, it almost be like the crazy J6s, y'all, trying to overthrow our government. But let's see what happened, y'all. Could it be true? Or the other thing could be, y'all, maybe China getting ready to go invade Taiwan. We don't know, but stay tuned. Libby Lib Star News, y'all. L-I-U-B-B-Y, Lib Star.